pardon the intrusion. Yes, the good thing about adding the large rubber, pneumatic wheels and having it on that platform is the vibration dampening effect of it changes the whole dynamics of that engine, and the whole welder generator. There's no more shake to it. It's completely absorbed by the wheels, and that's fantastic. Again, yes, I was welding for like 35-40 minutes, and yeah, again, I'm not a super fantastic welder, but again, I am working on a piece of equipment that is 40 years old. That literally came from the dam. It came from the dam, and my stepdad worked up at the Davis Dam. He worked up at the Hoover Dam. He did all kinds of work at both of them. That came off of a truck. They pulled it off. They switched to a pintle style. Turn back on. There we go. Switched to a pintle style rear axle or rear towing thing. So that went away. It's like, yeah, that thing is rated for 7 tons. It's massive. It's ridiculous. But yeah, I just wanted to strengthen up some of the welds on it because it's like, yes, it has been sitting for a while. I wanted to knock the rust out of the cracks and crevices, and then repaint it and get it out there.